So as you probably know, my Wii was sent back. It was sent back last Friday. The Friday afterwards, I phoned up asking, did they get my Wii? They said they got my Wii, repaired it. Wednesday and Thursday we repaired it, and that Friday they sent it off. And it's Monday today, and I got a delivery to me. So, I wonder what it is. So excited. Right. So, I'm so happy I've got my scissors. I'll just put the camera down because it's a bit hard. Right, there we go. Okay, so Nintendo were actually very quick in doing it, and it was 2 days as well, which is pretty cool. Right, I'll put the camera down again. So, here it is. Hopefully this is the Wii. Wait. Okay. How do you get this thing open? Right, put the camera down again. Right, there we go. Yay! My Wii! My Wii! Oh, sweet. Ah, she's back to me. She's back. Oh, sweet. Obviously, here's mine because I put this sticker on it. Security marked. And, sweet. Sweet. So, very nice. Very nice. Yeah. Although I wonder, they didn't give me a report saying what was wrong with it. Oh well. I think they, I don't know, might have left it on the Wii system in the Wii message board. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to hook this thing right up into my TV and see if it's been fixed. Alright, so I've plugged up my Wii. Now I'm moment of truth. See if it'll work. Whoa. Sounds like they replaced the whole CD drive. Because the motor sounds different. Okay, less responsive on the Wiimote. Just check my screen settings. Ah. There we go. Seems a little bit more responsive, which is good. Right. Okay. Yeah. very apparently there is a new Me contest channel, so also go and check that out, the new Me contest channel. Because apparently there was a bug in your one that was causing Wii systems to come on. I don't say it's packed in. It's on. Oh no, hold on, let me just turn off the console. I'm good. Alright, so now then, the moment of truth. Has my Wii truly been fixed? Let me just zoom out. It is the same old disc, Metroid Prime 3. Let's hear it. God, that was an effort. No. See, it seems to have been fixed. Oh, yes. I am so happy now. Anyway, that concludes my Wii being fixed. I'm very, very happy with Nintendo. Yeah, thanks for watching my video. Bye.